Hello and welcome back to Learn Smart Academy. The title of the video is, The Secrets of Ancient Egypt Revealed. Description. In this video, we'll explore the secrets of ancient Egypt and its civilization. From the Pyramids of Giza to the Valley of the Kings, we'll take you on a journey through the most iconic landmarks and historical sites of this fascinating civilization. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video on ancient Egypt. In this video, we'll delve into the mysteries of this ancient civilization, its culture, and its legacy. From its towering pyramids to its intricate hieroglyphics, ancient Egypt has fascinated people for millennia. Section 1. The Rise of Ancient Egypt. Egyptian civilization developed along the Nile River, which provided fertile land for agriculture and a transportation network. The first dynasty was established around 3150 BCE and lasted for more than 3,000 years. Egyptian society was organized into a hierarchical system, with the pharaoh at the top, followed by the nobles, the scribes, and the common people. Section 2. Art and Culture. Egyptian art and culture were deeply influenced by religion and mythology. The gods and goddesses were depicted in elaborate artwork, and their stories were told in hieroglyphic texts. Some of the most famous examples of Egyptian art include the Great Sphinx and the colossal statues of Ramses II. Section 3. Architecture and Engineering. One of the most impressive legacies of ancient Egypt is its architectural and engineering achievements. The Pyramids of Giza, which were built as tombs for the pharaohs, are some of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. The engineering expertise required to construct these massive structures is still a mystery to modern-day scientists. Section 4. Daily Life. Despite its grandiose architecture and artwork, ancient Egyptian society was largely based on agriculture and daily life was centered around the Nile River. The Nile provided irrigation for crops and a source of fish, which was a staple of the Egyptian diet. Egyptian society was also known for its advanced medicine and cosmetics, as well as its emphasis on education and literature. Conclusion. And there you have it. A brief overview of the secrets of ancient Egypt. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this fascinating civilization and its legacy, and we encourage you to continue exploring this topic on your own. Thanks for watching.